Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please leave a like. In this tutorial, we will show you on how to block someone on TikTok. So, here we go! Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Step 2. Navigate to the profile of the person you want to block. You can do this by searching for the username, finding their content on your feed, or the Discover section. Step 3. Once you are on their profile, tap the right arrow. It is usually located in the top right corner to access the Options menu. Step 4. In the Options menu, you should see a block option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to block the user. Read the prompt carefully to ensure you are blocking the correct person. Step 6. If you are certain that you want to block the user, tap block to confirm your decision. Step 7. TikTok will then block the user and they will no longer be able to interact with you or view your content. Step 8. If you want to see the blocked accounts, we need to go to your account. We can do that by simply going back to the home page using the left arrow on the top left of your screen. Now we are on the home page of the TikTok. As you can see, there are menus on the bottom of your screen. At the lower left of the selection, you can see Profile and tap on it. And now we are on your own account. Now look at the top right of your screen and tap the 3 horizontal lines. Then we click on Settings and Privacy. We are now on Settings and Privacy page. Now we need to tap Privacy. After doing so, scroll down until you find Blocked Accounts. In this section, you will see all your blocked accounts. And that's it. You have successfully blocked someone on TikTok using your mobile device. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to control your interactions on TikTok. Enjoy exploring and engaging with the TikTok community while maintaining a safe and positive experience. Happy TikToking!